At this moment, story about a trend in Ghana ha, as the public has interest in the suspension of the Chief Justice, that is Gertrude Torkenhoff by His Excellency the President of the land, John Dramani Mahama. I don't know Afrifa Albert opinion on that. Afrifa Trim say, "Adeɛ wei APSC enkunuma ye bi ochenye Chief Justice Eman Tokwa ene baayɛ at the end of the day enkunuma no mu gu ase pɔtɔ wɔ Ghana ha Eman nkuruma gye dimbɔne JJ Rawlings esi be ye bi Eman nkwa ɔde ku ɛde ntɔkwabɔ ne na besi Ghana ha no mo Eman kyerɛ sɛ adeɛ a Mahama ɛyɛ no Mahama ɛnhwɛ ye so ma ne team ye no yodium dia ɛne n'anim begu ase Afrifa ɛde constitution no abɛkyerɛ Mahama in case ɛsɛ ne refi history dia or the constitution abɛkyerɛ Mahama no ɔkyerɛ sɛ adeɛ a Mahama ɛyɛ no ɔyɛ yɛ dictator ɔyɛ yɛ sɛ be coup d'etat leader ɔnyɛ democratic leader na Mahama ɛnyɛ very careful in fact ensɛm de Afrifa abrodo na so ɛde history ɛne ade de bebe na no ɛde expose his excellency JDM aha Penyah block media mesra sɛ ne demo obe like video ra wa subscribe button so be click notification icon for latest updates na ba kyerɛ wa adwen de ma me ɛwɔ comment section mesra so ba so a na hye video mo for so enya bi ahye it is as far as a Chief Justice ɛyɛ concern no onye sɛ Mahama wa form committee sɛ omo investigate Chief Justice omo nhwemu ɛwɔ ni mu because of that prior to that no was suspending Chief Justice Gertrude Torkenhoff right justice they suspending for now ama even the suspension e kra no Honorable Okudzeto Ablakwa Okayakyie Minister of Foreign Affairs kwa be din komo say ade Mahama ye ne de entwa ye na Mahama ogu Ghana ni mu ase or say in a public domain Mahama egu Ghana ni mu because enye good for Ghana say amanane for beti enka say yetima suspend ye Chief Justice mu a ya suspending now a shame for Ghana. This is what Okudzeto Ablakwa said. Say Mahama has suspended Chief Justice. Now Afrifa also the camera video maybe about a week ago or betre mu dientia Mahama pese or say the Chief Justice or say Mahama pese was started regional tribunal and after so adwene won tiri pese go for another third term or be third term president into no pese also constitution so betima is how many possible there and this what can is that the Chief Justice because without the Chief Justice won't mean that constitution emany possible it doesn't say everybody can be chire mu the reason how person ni abrese or say the Chief Justice na ena no Afrifa ever alive no ba alive no e be chire mu enema enkono be ye emre bi atwa mu enema JJ Rawlings e be ye emre bi atwa mu also hwe asa kwan na so na Mahama nam proud to suspension Mahama ediama Chief Justice Afrifa so hwe mu a Mahama eye autocratic leader or ye can be or ye dictator na dia oye no obetimi de okon anaba Ghana because enkonoma ye bie no edun tokwa na ba Ghana JJ ye bie no ede endokwa na ba Ghana sai kwan na so na Mahama nenam in fact Afrifa abe expose Mahama no sa the constitution no abe kyerɛkyerɛ Mahama in case esene refini ho a or abe kyerɛkyerɛ Mahama
Obi yes sorry free wo na yemra the main topic for today and we will go down memory lane and we will come back and look at something. Enra John Mahama Churokrata have Fakrata and Tuzo. Say was setting up a committee, and for that matter, Chief Justice was suspended in accordance with Article 146. Yadi kama mu history of a year at the Jomama person here. Makani nyina akyere mo. Me se tribunal no person set here. Na Chief Justice we man kwan. We a minority here on press conference. Chief Justice ne man kwan. Na je no won kwan bi so mutu Chief Justice no. No one fa won no de emra. Bagovi history is there to guide us. Per political party. History shows that omu chini judges e chini the court wa. PNDC now NDC number 1. Exactly. Teacher Tenye, Moyankola, Monma, Hunyama Bibri. It is still no Montinio Mabias. Ebedru baby, Crowemo, or Bataya were your judge. Now, were your judge. PNDC led by JJ Rawlings. I'm yet a judge, no, a cocoon, a shame, and a monoso. Tenye, and Colar Muntian ye. Abranche, Muntia history ye. What? Amonya party NDC ne bibis. Muntia history no ayi. Ya make be a muntia ni. Obatan ya okura no ne batua ne nufu anu wo ye judge JJ Rollins so mo di asem akọ court wo ani am wo munti omko chi ne kun no more fire Kwabena Japan MPP muhunu no former general secretary of MPP ne papa wono ne papa JJ Rollins me ye kokun na anwumre konkon cause what they asem akọ court ye ani ama no etu ko do Supreme Court ayi no esisi animu no statute miensa ne esisi animu ya tworo matters of law so rule of law no sa matters of rule of law no judges say kun wo under JJ Rollins cause JJ Rollins say what the asem court a ye ni ma no tie ni emranche maba muntie ha yi amadwene no menim de wo mu Obi, in 1958, and as long as Boko and Kusas into Qua Pejanity and Denny. Amika Bibinchelo, a sipping. Now, Boko Kusas into Qua, a funeral of a year, judges know you come on, remember ho. Yaya, General Mebao, it would your court Mebaho. Obi, in 1958, Kwame Nkrumah, time will be the idea 57, 58, and a Nairi of a year a Boko. The then Nairi ne Mamprusi, you were Mamprusi, and one only a wooye. 10 years. Na, and to cause sorry between the Yanuanum Kusasis and the Mamprusis. Satamino Casano Kusasi, the Mamprusi, one more to walk D, and Yabako into Quanimudia. Now, communist inferior tactics, you divide them and you rule them. Kusasi in the door such a Mamprusi. Now, at the end, in the Bambo BIS, and the Yama Kusasi for the Mamprusi for Kontokwa. As I'm say, now as a politically, no, when you're the backing, now you're in the Wuyano, and the Yayan Yasimi Kwame Nkrumah, a question, Obi, 1958, and what in the King, no inside Kusasi, against the Mamprusis, Nania, Tokwa. Na me catch us BBS no a sipping. When him say me no ka say. Nana do ma hene agimambedu odikan. Kwame Nkrumah ko she Kusasi for nachi. Inside to more against the Mamprusis. E man to kwasi wie no. Said ye na Mahama akoshe ye nuanum Kusasi for achi enkofo kan. Nyame na make o. Wa wie wono akọ make ni pronouncement awie. No wa fresh ante hene so nkoko mediate no. When him say Kwame Nkrumah wie ye was set up a 3-member committee. Nana do ma hene agimambedu odikan. Eye do otisu enu wofa. No waka committee no. Said ye na Mahama so frɛ yes ante hene so meka ho. Okọ anim guase poto. Tin makache rasante ne say the SCB pen. Now history is repeating itself. More for the hunyim. Na entokwa na chiri no. Anna enkrofo chiri mu a ye shows what kulungungu bombe. For video ne to so. What kulungungu bombe da. Kwame Nkrumah ko yi woko upper voter. Woni upper voter. Burkina Faso, the dia the first day no a day before say Sankara, Thomas Sankara babe change dia in Burkina Faso near floor upper voter. Na Kwame Nkrumah ko upper voter. Said the nejo Mahama so ne Burkina Faso guy wo mo kiske sa na Kwame Nkrumah ye. Burkina upper voter. Na okoya wo ban. Eno celebration na mo hunu team ni so yi. Okoya wo ban. Na Kulungugu no so be boku kuroketu abi. And omo try say ombe bombe Kwame Nkrumah. Tie ni ye mranche ma ba muntie history. Na enkrofo chire mu a because na on tab bokufo Mamprusi for na chi no. Na Mamprusi for ni inside say and ye beku Kwame Nkrumah. De omo kan you tie ni. Eti Kwame Nkrumah ko share Kulungugu bombe. Ama akola bia yeso de flowers say ko ni ade. Mun ko sua ma ba ko say why? Obi ana chese ade no koye tusa e man to koye musa yire na ye ne ekoche owura bi ye frente wi adam afiu ene ade se ene omo na inside ye kwa yi bombe no omo na ehya kire ni asa eti ye omo kokot tienio Chief Justice ayi ni ye Kwame Mahama peso yi no Ghana history mu nyina asiba akopɛ Kwame Nkrumah na ye second person wo yi Chief Justice ni ene Mahama o che dictator tienio gobi na when na Kwame Nkrumah wode wo ko court no asam ni ye na adam afio mu ye release wo mo mi ame Kwame Nkrumah mu ni ye kutukum wo se na tikwa pa won tebida Etienne Sadia, the then Chief Justice. Someone to say, I could cause that. Musuai, And the history book in the and then say Akokosa was the then Chief Justice. And was 63. Where ye Akokosa free because we did case in Amphivano. Said the end of Mama Muye Yao. Our brother Minu Miana to Kruma. Time I said Dunkatiane a year a Samifotu or more call a year contest. I said Dunkatiaba country, yes, election petition out of it or more call a year 2020. No money enough evidence. Samifotu have enough evidence. I'm a young guy. Montikroma. And so I'm court to know Uncle Ye. Or Muba back say, and I call to them PSM. Meanwhile, they knew so much enough evidence. Uncle. Obi, it's your number few. Court to the discharge. Kwame Nkrumah si kai want to say. No ye Chief Justice said the your mama say omo the case court ni ye ni omo the case court na etiani onu so be Chief Justice regardless Kwame Nkrumah na di kan ye na oye wie ye no anso wa an oyi ajage 4 and 9 e ka ho a year after sa ajage 4 9 no na santen ne baba ako aye friend no eye Professor Henry Prempe e ka ho oyi no na ni maseresem Professor Henry Prempe no and they Judge Henry Prempe, and then or no nana. Anna John Mahama appointing and say, or your constitutional review committee, Professor H. Kwesi Prempe, for President Kwesi Prempe, or no. I mean, can be missing history is repeating itself. Kwame Nkrumah we no acquire constitutional review, and were appointed also a president for life. Your mama a constitutional review, and come on here say because we hear judicial interpretation to the effect to say, obet me 2 times or 3 times, you know, it's in a constitutional review. Question, and we see history is repeating itself. Kusasi fonto kwa sorry 58 enu na bombing ba ye kurungugu kusasi fonto kwa sorry sabri ama ho IGP akwame atuntu tenio San wo yi judge for na we jomama wi a onwie etu ahwa omo ya ade bi omo the list bi abeto say the Supreme Court no Akufo-Addo na appointed them more etu ombe yi judges ni bi just like Kwame Nkrumah did. Now Kofi you moving free wo e dey na see Kwame Nkrumah yeah within 1 year na pain kotokamo e dey to form fire. Etu pese ohunu de ntia Kwame Nkrumah wo ye na nkofo jubilate a it got to a point me ankasa me Nkrumah Santiago na kobi e o pese Kwame Nkrumah no a very fantastic leader but no one excesses ahemfo no mo support ni nyina no omye to ahemfo no the CPP nkofo ne ko di hene etimi kuro mu se nkofo bebe di hene no mo yamfo mo ayamamre kwaso ye pagya won sa CPP rally and Kwame Nkrumah your mama ye the same thing. Now the man only funny thing. Kama Kwame Nkrumah ye Bombay no. Kurungugu Bombay celebration the next year no. Na ye Dr. Mahama Dubaumia papa. Ana na edi Kwame Nkrumah anim wo ye Kurungugu ayi bokuo. Tieni o. Dr. Baumia papa. Ana na edi Kwame Nkrumah anim. Satam na jo Mahama papa. Eye minister for Kwame Nkrumah. Edi oyi ni free one no Dr. Baumia papa bai. Tenio, history is repeating. And then you want to say Dr. Mahama Dubaumia. When you call your mama, and they are the closest contender. Our brother me and papa, they were the closest contenders. History is repeating itself. More fire. After your bedroom baby, your mama say, Omuko Kotwa, Omu winning case. Mobakaya, 2009. Tell my Professor Mills winning. Anna, a year the then chairman for a year in DC. A Friday say, WW, Kwabeneje say, Omu the case Kokotwa, Omu winning, a Jenny Justice Georgina Wood, and in the court when I said that Omu winning. There is so many ways to kill a cat. Okay, I case. Adientia adiachi no musuma mrantie nkantinka si yenko e Supreme Court wonko chia omo e ma judge sigwane fire. So NDC has sa ayini say omunya ba eya mamumu a first thing they want to do is to touch the court no mu do omo nkrofo besi wo tienio because omoko case hu a buga me sure so what you say omo say NIB case e de na no mkofa dubu ahi say wan bi no me sure so what you say omo say ade no kura hwi ni mo goalpost almost shifted. It in Sabre Amanoka say, any power share a year a Yokosuno, Yayina Frosis Yabas in the court a year and IB because of Sasa. Benjamin Sonny. It will call to ye near CM Penedia, and your mama should be Chief Justice. It would Gina a year petition, petition or much rush or mutum. Govina Makubu, your friend than your furry, or your lawyer knee, and Komobi Wetchiri. Are true than your foreign or representing a client to be? Than a client, no, Nessica Sembi womb, and a coffee here, no coffee. You made this uncle and for the public. It is a your mama say, Obe Pamu Chief Justice. Yadi ye tunefo. Yes, Sereno. Kwame Nkrumah Pamubio. And the justification they are using, and this is for it is a more catcher. Yes, a good for you, AEC, you can say easy. What is Charlotte said? It is a Muslim. There is a moral justification. Some will be a Chief Justice said. First of all, the position of Chief Justice, it is not comparable to that of a EC chair. Because there were 3 arms of government. Chief Justice is one of the arms of government, which is an independent arm of government. Now, must say ye Charlotte said, it must be Chief Justice said. Now, when you say Sabi, Quasia, some son, a mobile to Australia, and your Munya go for them to Australia. More fire. Gobi, Sanko Fado Yanenra, one be dear true, one more year. No Kura woman said I had the Tantai, then Yan Sabianim. I never supported it. Now, some most women say, Sabin sem Hunusa, and a mobile bedia, and near Trabama Yere. If say Trabama your mamma, near so about with fresh air. Fresh air, or may be different. It is a mobile. Nancy Mura Yedin and one a Musumobedia. A young cancer studio, so almost when a Kufado buy where you do Melevodi. The first person will buy a Auditor General or Tiakunyamu, or you need Professor Mills. Moko Professor Mills pencil, Auditor General, or you need expose them. Tinyano correct, so Kufado the first person who you Auditor General. Na se moye na anye na moye abedu baby. At what point do we say to ourselves say sansem funu we and they say dear Bruno enye easy chair nko and abaye political appointment. Now even the arm of government they say what won here for say Chief Justice here can we say what time you call terminus with the president or appointed, because any president that will come it looks like we will go on the same trajectory. It can't kind of quench a man for near Castle your mama, or baby be different, or be set a tone, a unifiable tone a babua, among the institutions of governance, at me a general manasso, and Obayan was saying more in the name of a Kufaru. More fire. Now, young Kansi Sudia say Article 146. You better read the Article 146. Project Article 146. Article 146, you know, okay, or say, the president find a prima facie case against the Chief Justice. As a committee tenacity, and upon the assumption of the committee, the Chief Justice shall be suspended. Tienio, over 10 years. And I'm also Samajamfi, many baby Okoshia the law. Samajamfi say, now because Emranim say, your mouth your brunifran discretionary power, you may abuse it. It's a discretionary power, no. What the Maria, you know, I'm going to call Article 296. A court shrew, a coin discretionary power, no. So when your court and your judge, you're the first one to be used. It is an Article 146 to say. Where the Constitution in any other law, discretionary power is vested in any person or authority. A, the discretionary power shall be deemed to be imply a duty to be fair and candid. So you can't discretionary power. Police in here will use to media chubi or what discretionary power under the laws. It is a the 2 Myanmar police in so it me chubia. Article 296 A or say that duty it shall be deemed to imply a duty to be fair and candid. It is and yes, amount to maintain. Now we use soon arbitrarily. You can't arbitrarily go be. There's a 2 minutes you soon anyhow. Eti constitution in him say Article 146. Emma president to me say otimi set committee. Na set committee ni we are na chief justice as step aside. Nemo mono yam pese president biya betrase. No ne nan fofo hia. Na we are also ma set committee chief justice step aside no dey din sem hunti. Article 296 will tell you how to go about it. Precisely. Article 296B was where the exercise of discretionary power, was it the exercise of discretionary power shall not be arbitrary, capricious, or biased, whether by resentment, prejudice, or personal dislike, and shall be in accordance with the due process of law. Was it shall be in accordance with the due process of law? Now, for sure, we see the constitution. Or says a discretionary power under this constitution and any other law. Nasa wonya judge, wonya judicial officer. SCSR pass mra, which is a regulation. As amrano, and then the bench said the obesia use a discretionary power. It is your mama as a president. A year to me under Article 146. So it miss set a committee because her to me, a what quasi judicial effect. They can't quasi judicial effect. Governor just said 2 million what taking and then we a whole chief justice Eddie but suspending and that is a very heavy blow. So constitution and Article 296C or say where the person or authority is not a judge or other judicial officer, there shall be published by constitutional instrument or statutory instrument regulations that shall guide a year. So the all can say a kobase discretionary power be ye the ma obi a na se nipa no wonye judge wonye judicial officer a yes go extra mile at the constitutional instrument the friend is here no and now say ye the regulations statutory instrument a bit to ho na kire say your mama be appointed chief chief justice amana suspendia eso ofa a b so when say bedu samri Parliament pass any regulation. I said your mama be use discretionary power under Article 146. But we use more fire. More fire. It before your mama could have used that power. Now once you say the EC case be a court no. Court when they say there is not supposed to be any regulation. But the quasi judicial effect, EC decision I will take here. It did not have the quasi judicial effect of that of your mama in the case of this Chief Justice. More fire. So you cannot compare the case of the EC case, as against Hadi. So your mama is going against the law. But your mama is going against the law. Again, there is a principle called odi aterim patem. Your mama obia make a case against the Chief Justice. And now what is a petition no mano. Now the petition no mano. And now no will response. As someone a constitution can say, when there is a prima facie is say, almost in Grofo Brebet me as Sonia can say Muna for Chief Justice. Everything can say Muna for a speaker. Nemo see the case in the bar. A yes or no John Domani Mama. One man Chief Justice no responding. Now or respondia. Now fe Yashomudi say, okay, there is a prima facie case against. Na prima facie ni nyina say ave ye mu ye hu say asem wo mu odu ebi wo mu a ese etena so e wo wait na nya na dwuma na asem but me ne wo ka say Chief Justice no onim prima facie case ye say it say ne mu dia ne ka ho asem say woni ne ba tu kwan say e mu dia ne prima facie case because letter your mama the buy no at no point did the letter state say when we sat down we realized that prima facie case has been established against the Chief Justice. As your mama was suspending Chief Justice. On for judiciary in no, for and we suspension yam kusiaga. What suspending off and maybe? Well, you know. When ye an arm of government, the head of the judiciary, where you know. And then you're gonna form more. Yeah, they are politics. Now they 2 minutes become on some.
Baso no say this out.
Obao. Obo so be mamu hey. Na na nya jo Mahama ne etie na muntie tre. E ka so mo be repeat Chief Justice then George na wood. Enya jo Mahama na sa kwasan yi wo. So jo Mahama ka one thing why no the next. Teacher, muntie nie. NDC. Omo mpe judge ne judiciary asa. Omunya beduru a wo ye dan wo mo ne judiciary be ko.
Say Penyah be di omo ni.
Ai PNDC no. Wonya dan omo be di omo ne be ko. President go 4 time. Omo ba ye the first thing that Professor Mills tries to obey. And so obey Chief Justice. And so omo the petitions eba to the Rawood. Chief Justice to the Rawood. Omo the petitions bro be 10 and I go against it. Professor Mills na want to say your mama to where no se mo fuma se mo. Your mama. What's in the bush obey no? Or the PNDC na saba. Obi. Na omo yi. Na go force you go do no di tria car na.
Papa you honey.
Eti yera Santayine. Wadaroma. Said ya Kwame Nkrumah ko hye kusi asifo achi. Ema ntokwa ne ye deja. Owie no ko sete eye committee. E de na adom ahene agimembedu odikan. Ekogu nanim ase no. Meru Adaroma. Menuanum kusi asifo ne mampusifo. Ntokwa no munyai. Political class no. Omo hye dey instigate mo for their political gain. Santayine Wadaroma pe oba bitina. Ombegu anim ase. Omo ko omo ba omo ane twa nkrofo kam yedu atem. What? Yes, omo ko omo ba omo ane twa nkrofo kam yedu atem.
Fire.
Yeah, I'm telling you. I'm telling you. It's my truth. You know best son. Obi. Mahama best son constitution.
I know the point be asked. Are you ready?
Obepa second term. Tina, what's it? I know that we can bet him. But let's nobody forget that the Ghanaian of yesterday is the same Ghanaian of today. Ghana for now 66 is here. Ghana for now 72 is here. Ghana for now 79 is here. No, you know sa party we no because 79 man kajo mama ne man for community, so they cannot be against school. If say they are product of coup. 79 and the coup by. Sa coup ne by 81 biu. And then they PNDC. These people cannot be against school. They must say nipa feel stagnant. Obi, and they know me say your mama dey go different direction, but they go forward here and even worse. And the people feel stagnated. And go forward feel say okay, so no direction. Now you do me, I do you. And clearly the next government, if it's not NDC government, on also it has obey Chief Justice, and it's able to obey Speaker. Yes, say your constitution. Yes, say your governance. And let nobody deceive themselves. Say they see now, they be to me. Let nobody deceive themselves. Ghana for now, and society. Timira, your mama may catch it. Adia way you are gradually becoming a dictator.
Precisely.
Obanya Samejam Fimwa, Omodia, Omoye, no, your friends say. Omo feed you ego. They will feed your ego. And they go for the downfall in every sankrofo. You jina you do mo ye kufaru ne makufaru tofo. And now you jina you no frame. O frame. Kadachi. Wo you jina ye. Emfie nwotwe. Ekufaru ye you jina he kam ye kufaru campaign. Anajo 12 kro jina ye be frame am briefing. Oba be ye communications officer. 8 years one fam quarter. Abe you jina ye frame them yode. Eti you jina ye de no mo de ye kufaru yodium man hwe fom pu no. E bia na samejam fem de be yo.
More fire.
Your mama, Monsieur Biana Samijam Fimu de Bayo. Ayani Ama fans. Thank you, Mr. President JM, for your courage, your suspension of the Chief Justice. Would you have one who so a dictator? And said the Kufa do ye Charlotte said, a bayer albatross on his neck. Wait, enchirima de beka wo odi enchirima de beka wo ni ene ye ba akokɔ sadia Kwame Nkrumah na yi no oyi no coup d'etat na bai and ye pamo no the people feel stagnated because they thought you were going to give us a new direction and you are not giving us a new direction. You are only using the nonsense of the ex-war government to justify the nonsense you are doing today. And Mr. President, respectfully, when you continue the trajectory you are going, there is only one outcome. When the people are fed up, when the people no longer know where they are going, there is only one outcome. And I don't think you need you want to get there. The people around you, Mr. President, I'm telling you. And Kabaya Waba Windy format. Every day there's scandal. Every day there's scandal. It's why I want to now posse. Now I want to say, hey, I didn't know question. And you Kenya, Galamsi, and the baby Abedu Chief Justice. I could follow by no be easy chair, or Tony Bossman up my settle. Precise. Omekano could have been chairperson. Man for no one chair, no member of feeling. The Kaisam President Kufado, the Busan question be. The Busan question, I have the national security, I have the BNI, I have the police, they give me daily briefing. Daily briefing. Who equal the whole party number country. Mr. President, the whole party number country. Some of them feel what in favor until the whole party number country. Mr. President, why are dear Chief Justice Sakeno? Man for the Wokuruno. Musa down Kwane report, now you're quite savvy or a drop. Miss Wuyi Mami Wuya, you will pay for the sins of Sa Wuyi Mami. Opa Makeno, Sabi Justice took on Omu. We in a dear one corribo, and Koyashe, and Sisan. Anna we in a dear non cheso yin a dear number running in a Abeshamonsa. Yakoko, you be Dimrano, you be married the fact to the law. Nothing will change. It's Muyi Chief Justice said you, mine in a deal, or fact I have court, yet be married Mara, Niashe, and Marano Sakobasa Mumis Yusunua, yet me qua appeal to West African Court of Appeal. Even the Hague Kranko me court, it's a waste of time. Nemo you be Kawudi for Sadi way away. And is that the legacy you want to be remembered for? Mr. President. And Momunyo Yodium. Was your phone account was here? Momunyo Yodium. Is that the way you want to be remembered for? Sir President Robert Naswa, or ye Chief Justice if you are on whimsical excuses.
More fire.
You did Okudzeto Afrifa. You may not like me. President Mahama, Mr. Mekasi Moyachron there. Said the Akufo-Addo yi Charlotte say, a bear albatross on his neck. So we is Chief Justice we are. You shall forever be remembered. Now, Udi, history will not be kind to you.
Precisely
so. You did Okudzeto Afrifa, Mensa. Mapong.
Bye-bye.
Chirawadjo Mame, comment section. What is your view on this? I Penyah Block Media. Okay.